Hi, my name is Rajesh Pavithran, and I am the co-founder of Boon Coin. And we are doing a token sale very pretty soon. And we have Brian DePierre as joined our team as our advisor. He is the vice president of GE Capital, and he's a veteran at GE with 18 years of experience in GE. And we are so excited. Brian joins our team, and it makes our string more stronger. And I would like to welcome Brian to our team. So I would love to hear from Brian what he is doing at GE, his background a little bit, and his specialties, his vertical, and things like that. So Brian, thank you very much. Thanks for joining our team. It really means a lot to us. I sincerely say that. Okay.
Rajesh, it's a pleasure to be part of the team. It's certainly an exciting business model. For myself, my background, I graduated from Cornell University with a major in economics. Joined General Electric, as you said, about 18 years ago. Spent a lot of time in their training programs, traveling the globe, and being exposed to many of their different businesses. Following that, I was a finance manager in some of the different businesses. And then today, I am a vice president in the GE Capital side of the business with a focus on healthcare providers where we provide financing solutions and insights around technology management.
I know that you have worked with so many businesses in your career. Can you tell us a little bit about the most important aspects of a startup business and what makes it successful? Have you noticed any key characters or factors which makes a business successful? And we would love to have that information from your vast experience and implement that in our project.
Certainly, Rajesh, it's in the day-to-day business. In my role, we deal with a lot of startups. Again, in the healthcare space, we look primarily a business plan demonstrates solid knowledge of the industry, the competition, the challenges, the opportunity. We look a lot at the management team, and then ultimately the ability for that management team to execute on that plan that's been put in place.
Okay. So I know, Brian, I know that you've been involved in blockchain technology, and I want to know your take on how a blockchain is going to change the world or change the business model. For example, in our case, none of our competitors can really compete with us in terms of features, in terms of the revenue model, in terms of value we add to our customers as well as the platform users. So, what are your thoughts on that? And can you tell a little bit about your opinion?
Yes, certainly. Not long ago, I started to do some research and explore blockchain because I do believe it will be one of those major disruptive technologies, certainly in our generation, similar to with the internet, how the internet impacted the business world, and similar to an Uber and Amazon, how these companies have had just a major effect on kind of day-to-day business across all industries. And I think that will be the case with blockchain in the coming years here. And as I've reviewed uh, this technology, I came across Boon and really found there was great depth and domain expertise with the management team. And that's really why I decided to try to get engaged with this project.
So I know
So I
that
know that
you
you
have so many options. I know that people will be in touch with you in joining so many projects because you're in a very high position, and people will love to have people like you in their team. And I would, if you could, please explain what stand us out from the crowd in terms of the projects which come across to you on a daily basis. So if you could tell me a little bit about that, that I really appreciate that.
sure. So looking at the Boon organization,
I'm sorry, you kind of like,
oh, can you hear me?
yeah, now it's okay.
As I kind of dug into the Boon project a bit, I did notice the management team had a lot of experience, seem to be really strong in their business model here. And then looking at the project itself, I believe Boon has addressed some of the successes and shortcomings of other similar projects, and that would be they have their own blockchain, which is a big advantage. They're going to be hedging their.
Great. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think we have found a very good niche in the business model as well as the value, basically the value we provide, and there is a lot of the trend in today's world is everybody is moving to freelancing. There was a study which says that by 2027, majority of U.S. Employees will be freelancers. And today, for example, we have $1.4 trillion contributed by the freelancers to the U.S. economy alone, and which is U.S. is not only the main player in the world. So I am very, very confident and very excited, to be really honest, very excited to get this going, and hopefully we will all be a huge success. And I want everyone else who is also participating in the token sale to be successful with us. It's a win-win situation for everybody. I think so that's all for now in the sense. Brian, I really do appreciate you joining our team, and we are really looking forward to your inputs and suggestions in making this project a huge success. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time. I really do appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very
Yeah.
there's great promise in the project.